Annyeonghaseyo, kumusta? Welcome to DAHEE TV Korean Class 101. Finally, nakagawa na rin ako ng lesson video for EPS topic. Sa mga gustong mag-work dito sa Korea, need nyong pumasa sa EPS topic exam. Kaya aral na kayo at mag-apply ng work dito sa South Korea. First, bigyan ko muna kayo ng short background about EPS topic. Okay, so ano ba yung EPS topic? So, according to my research, talaga guys na nag-research. Okay, so EPS topic stands for employment. As you can see here, E is for employment, permit, system. Tapos topic is test of proficiency in Korean. So, it is a specialized Korean ability test. Okay, kung gaano kayo kagaling sa Korean. And key LAT or topic are general tests useful for various purposes. So, iba-iba yung purpose pag may topic result kayo, guys. So, in contrast, this is a special test for a particular purpose. For example, to get foreign workers for the Korean labor market. So, ito yung ginagawa ng karamihan. So, bago ka makapag-work dito sa Korea, dapat naipasa mo yung EPS topic exam. Okay. So, what level is EPS topic? Topic is divided into two. Topic 1 at saka topic 2. Ang topic 1 ay nandyan yung level 1 and level 2. Pag topic 2 naman, level 3 to level 6. Pag level 1, dapat makakuha ka ng over 80 points. Level 2 is dapat over 140 points. Pero sa EPS, kahit over 80 points lang yung makuha mo, so pasado ka na. So, very easy lang yan. Kayang-kaya nyo yan, guys. Basta continue lang sa pag-aaral ng Korean. Okay? Next is, what's the difference between topic and EPS topic? So, topic is a general test for those who want to study in Korea. So, yung topic, guys, is para pala yun sa mga gustong mag-aral dito sa Korea or work in Korea o sa mga gusto din magtrabaho dito sa Korea, hindi bilang EPS workers. Okay, so to test their Korean skills for immigration purposes. Just like sa akin, so nag-take ako ng topic. So halimbawa, mag-apply ako ng work, hinahanapan ako ng topic result. So kung anong level ka, ganun. Ganyan. So, tagal ako nag-take ng topic. Maybe mag 3 years na yata or 4 years na ba yun? Or, hindi ko na, nakalimutan ko na kung kailan yun. Medyo matagal-tagal na. Hanggang level 5 lang ako. Pero wala akong plano na mag-take ng hanggang level 6 kasi parang ngayon kasi hindi na importante sa akin. Kasi may sarili naman akong business. So, hindi na kailangan. Pero parang gusto ko rin i-try pag may time ako. Gusto kong abutin yung level 6. Okay, so EPS topic is the test taken by those who want to work in Korea. So ito yun kayo guys na gusto mag-work dito sa Korea. First is maipasan nyo po talaga yung EPS topic. Okay? So good luck. Continue lang sa pag-aaral ng Korean. So, is EPS topic exam difficult? According to my research, it has a huge number of questions, 50 questions pala siya, and you move ahead the text. As you move ahead, the text seem to get more difficult and lengthier. So, totoo naman yan. Kasi kahit sa topic to yung nag-exam ako guys, kasi may writing exam din siya, no? So may reading, listening, writing. Tapos lalo na sa reading guys, pag doon naka-gitna ka na, yung mga susunod naman na mga questions is mahirap talaga. Kaya sabi nga dito, by half of the paper, some of you would be already beyond your maximum Korean intake capacity for the day and maybe feeling dizzy na malibog, ano na yan, malipong-lipong lisod sa question. So you will feel dizzy because of those difficult questions, difficult problems siguro, no? Okay, so let's continue. So is there age limit for TOPIK? As per EPS-TOPIK 2022, the exam is conducted only once a year. So dati parang 1 to 3 times a year yata, pero ngayong 2022, once lang pala yan ngayon. So only once a year in 16 countries. So ang dami, no? And the age limit is 18 to 39. So pag wala ka pang 40 guys, so aral na ng Korean, tapos mag-work ka dito, sobrang hirap ng pamumuhay sa Pilipinas, di po ba? Kasi kayod ka ng kayod, buong araw, tapos magkano lang yung sahod mo. So mag-invest ka na lang ng time, mag-aral ng Korean, tapos ipasa mo yun. And then good luck. Kita-kita na lang tayo pag makapunta na kayo dito. Okay, so let's start guys. So magsusolve ako ng EPS topic problem today, or every lesson ko is from 1 to 10 lang, 10 problems lang. Okay, para hindi masyadong mahaba yung video natin. So nakalagay ditong direction guys is bogi 문제. Sa 문제 means problem. Okay, what's your problem? 무슨 문제 ka 있어요? So bogi means look. So tingnan natin yung problem guys. From 1 to 200 yung ginawa nila. Okay, so nakalagay dito is 다음 그림을 보고 맞는 단어나 문장을 고르십시오. Okay, so 다음 means next. 그림 means picture. 보고 is from the word Buddha. Okay? And then 맞는 단어. 맞는, correct. 맞다, correct. Dano means word. Pag nilagay na dito or ina, it means or. 문장 is sentence. So, correct word or sentence, anong gagawin mo? 고르십시오. You are going to choose. Okay? 고르다 means select or you choose. So, in English, look at the picture below and choose the correct word or sentence. Okay, so ready na kayo guys? Let's go to problem number 1. I go. Sobrang dali lang guys. What's that? Ano ito? Unsa man ni guys? Di ba bag? Di siya tattoo sa Pilipino. Bag daw. So bag. It's a bag. So ang bag sa Korean is number 1 agad yung sagot guys. So in Korean dapat marunong kayong magbasa guys ha. Okay, very important na marunong kayong magbasa para maintindihan nyo yung binabasa nyo. And of course, dapat alam nyo paano sumulat. So tingnan nyo yung mga previous videos ko. May video akong ginawa paano isulat yung mga Korean alphabets. Okay? And then, paano basahin. So, dito is, pag nandito na kayo sa video na to, it means marunong na kayong magbasa. Okay. So, number 1 is nakalagay dito, kabang. Kabang in Korean is this one, bag. Okay? So, number 2, ano ba itong number 2? So, tingnan din natin sa ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng mga nandito. Number 2 is kumte. Okay? So, gumagawa din ako ng video guys na 10 English-Korean vocabularies. So, i-check nyo din yung video na yon, tingnan nyo, panoorin nyo. Okay? So, pag-aralan nyo yon, malaking maitulong yun sa mga pag-increase or pag-improve ng vocabularies nyo. Pasensya na sa boses ko guys kasi ang aga dito. Wala akong magawa so nagawa nila ako ng video. It's Saturday kasi. Okay, so kumtek is notebook. Okay? So, hindi naman yan siya notebook. Number 3 is sutop. Sutop means reminder book or a pocket book. Ganyan, sutop. Number 4 is angyong. Angyong means eyeglass. Okay, so the answer is, what's the answer? Ano yung pansulat ko? Dapat magsulat ako eh. Okay, so maybe ito na lang gagamitin ko. Okay, so the answer is number 1, bag. Okay, next page na tayo, guys. Number 2 is gunting, scissors. So number 1, ano basahin ito? Kal. Kal means knife. Okay? Kal means knife. Number 2 is kawi. Kawi is this one, scissor. So the answer is number 2. Kawi, scissors. Number 3 is tutkarak. Tutkarak means chopsticks. This number 4 is tutkarak. Tutkarak means spoon. So the correct answer is number 2, kawi. Okay? Ano yung pang-mark ko? Wait lang, guys. Next, number 3. Number 3. Okay. So look at this one. Ano to siya, diba? Calculator. Calculator in Korean is 계산기. 계산기. Number 1 is 공책. Diba kanina? 공책 means notebook. 수첩 means reminder book or pocket book. Number 3 is computer. Number 4 is 계산기, calculator. So the answer is number 4. Next. What is this? As you can see, may nakalagay na express bus. Okay. So number 1 is gita. Gita means what? Train. Number 2 is 자전거. 자전거 is bike, bicycle. Number 3 is bihengi. Bihengi is eroplano, airplane. And number 4 is gosok bus. So, yung sagot, number 4. Gosok means express. Gosok. Gosok ninyo, guys. Sa gosok bus. Gosok bus ng express bus. So the answer is number 4. Next, number 5. Ano ito, guys? Ito, tingnan natin yung mga pagpilian. Number 1 is sirigitong. Sirigitong means garbage. Okay? Unan. Garbage. No, it's not. Number 2 is 공중전화. Phone is phone, telephone. So 공중 is public. So public telephone or payphone. So the answer is number 2. Ganito yung payphone dito sa Korea, guys. Okay, public telephone. The answer is number 2. Oh, I'm sorry. Number 2. So ano yung number 3? 자동 판매기. So, 자동 means 자동, automatic. So, automatic. Panmi is yung pagtinda or sell. Panmegi machine. So, machine. So, 자동 panmegi slot machine. Parang ganun. So, machine siya ng tinitinda. Machine, yung machine na nagtitinda. Ayun na yun. So, 자동 panmegi. Number 4 is 자동. To 자동 ya. 자동 is automatic in tulgi. So, ito yung automatic ATM machine. So, hindi naman ito sa bangko. So, the sagot, the answer is 공중전화, public telephone. Okay, so gusto ko sana magbisaya, guys. But for the sake of those Tagalog people, para baka mapunta din sila dito, so magtagalog na lang ako. So, yung mga ano din naman is, mga Bisaya is magaling naman mag-Tagalog. So, for the sake of ibang Tagalog na makaintindi ng video na ito, so mag-Tagalog na lang ako kahit hindi man ako fluent mag-Tagalog. So, ito yan, sagot, number 2. So, let's go to, what? Number 6. Number 6 na tayo. Number 6, ano ito guys? Di ba siya refrigerator. So, refrigerator in Korean is this one. Number 4, 냉장고. 냉장고. Refrigerator in Korean is 냉장고. What is number 3? Tsunagi. It's telephone. Sitaki is washing machine. Sitaki, washing machine. 자동차. 자동차. 자동차 means car. Okay, so the answer is number 4, 냉장고. Next, number 7. Number 7, ano ito guys? Di ba kalendaryo? Calendar in Korean is dalyok. Dalyok. Okay, so the answer is number 4. Number 3 is 공책. So, 공책 is, alam nyo na, di ba? Notebook. 수첩, kanina din, reminder book. 신문. 신문 is newspaper. So, it's not newspaper, it's dalyok, kalendaryo. So, the answer is 4. So, pasensya na kayo sa pronunciation ko minsan guys kasi ang mostly sa aking pronunciation is Bisaya. So, I think you can understand naman what I'm saying, no? Okay, so yun na yun. Dalyok is calendar sa atin. So, number 8. Number 8 is what? Ito yung Korean money, guys. So, money in Korean is what? Let's go. Let's check the answer. Number 1 is 돈. 돈 is money. So, the answer is number 1. 돈. Okay? Money. Pera is 돈. Number 2 is card. So, it's card. Number 3 is 우표. 우표 means stamp. Okay? Number 4 is 공책, notebook. So the answer is 1, 돈, money. Okay, malapit na tayo. Number 9. 9 problem, what's this? Diba, radio siya guys. So, let's check our answer. Number 1 is computer. Oh, in Korean, computer. So, it's not computer. Number 2 is radio. Radio. So, the radio is number 2. Ang sagot is number 2, radio. Number 3 is what? Camera. Camera. So, camera, sa English, same. And then number 4 is television. 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 So, Korean, television. Okay, so the answer is radio. Radio. Number 9 is number 2 ang sagot, radio. And the last number for today. So what is this? Ito ay isang calling card. May nakalagay na pangalan, kung ano yung position niya sa trabaho, anong company, tapos yung logo nila, yung address, phone number, at saka telephone number nakalagay. So, number 1 is ang sagot, 명함이에요. Okay, it's 명함. 명함 is calling card in Korean. Number 2 is 수첩, reminder book. Number 3 is dalyok, it's calendar. And number 4 is yokwon. Yokwon is passport. Okay, so the answer is number 1, 명함. Okay, so that's it. That's all for today, guys. So continue watching my video for lesson 2. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga videos. Also, hit like and leave comments and share my videos para madami din ang mga matutulungan natin. So, see you again on my next video. I hope mag-improve yung pag-manage ko ng computer, guys, kasi hindi ako kagalingan. So, trinatry ko lang, but I really wanted to help you guys makapasa sa EPS-TOPIK exam. It's very easy. Basta keep on watching lang my video at panoorin yung mga Korean videos na ina-upload ko. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you again next time. 다음 시간에 또 만나요. 안녕!
Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and share my videos. Until next time!